Hello people, welcome to the lane of headhunters. Myself Nunu. Today I would like to show you the beautiful waterfall which is originated in the beautiful and lovely village known as Ginlong Khasa. This great waterfall is known as LONGHO SAATNYU in our dialect, which means waterfall falling on stone stalk from the top. We all know that waterfalls are some of the most majestic creations of Mother Nature, as its violent current, overwhelming mist, and crashing sounds awaken the natural instincts inside us. For some of us, it is a sense of serenity, but for others, it is a vigor and everything in between. Even the periwinkle flower, which is used to combat cancer, exists here in abundance. So people who are interested in adventure and sightseeing may visit our village to see this great beauty of Mother Nature. For more information, like, share, subscribe, and please don't forget to click the bell button. So I would like to end this video with a short quote which says, "Look deep into nature and then you'll understand everything better." Thank you.